Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by asserting basics. Git installed and your username/email configured because commits need identity. Once confirmed, create or open the project folder, add a README and git ignore to avoid noise, then run git init to start a local repo. After that, stage your files with git add and make an initial commit. This establishes a clean baseline. It lets you link the exact snapshot you'll push to GitHub and avoids committing accidental files. Now you link local history to GitHub. Create an empty repository on GitHub, choose SSH for keys or HTTPS with a token. Copy the remote URL, then run git remote add origin URL to register it. Verify the remote using git remote v so you don't push to the wrong place. Next, unify branch names by running git branch m main and push with git push u origin main, which uploads commits and sets upstream tracking, so future git push commands are simple and reliable. Finish by verifying that your commits appear on GitHub and that the default branch is correct. Once visible, optionally push tags or releases with git tag v1. 0 and git push origin tags, and enable branch protection or CI integrations so changes meet standards. If something breaks, start troubleshooting. Authentication errors often mean an expired token or missing SSH key. Check git remote v to confirm URL, then run ghauth login or
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.